Exploring the deep blue sea is one of the most exciting things a person can do. You allow yourself a window into the more unknown aspects of our world, enabling yourself to see weird and wonderful creatures, as well as the general beauty of nature. There are several ways to pay a visit to the underwater world, two of them being scuba diving and snorkeling. For more information, click the link in description. But which one is which? Scuba diving and snorkeling may seem quite similar, but it's important to understand the aspects that distinguish the two exercises. Though they both have the thrill of underwater exploration in common. Firstly, what do they have in common? It's important to understand what makes them common, before we get to know what makes them different. So their similarities are: both require the participant to wear a mask in order to take part. Both require some sort of snorkel. Both are a lot easier when wearing fins and objects that help you to paddle through and on the water. Both can be participated in by anyone willing to have a go. Both exercises allow the participant to have underwater experiences. Both allow the participant a certain amount of exploration. So, as you can see, the two do share some similarities. It's important to understand these, because now we are going to focus on what each individual exercise. Through this we will be able to determine what makes them different. So, what is the difference between snorkeling and scuba diving? 1. Snorkeling. Snorkeling is an experience that many take part in. It is when a person swims on or through a body of water with a diving mask on, a snorkel, and often swim fins as well. When snorkelers are exploring colder bodies of water, they would also wear a wetsuit too, in order to keep their body heat up. Where is it usually done? Well, it is popular in hot and beach-centric holiday destinations. This popularity is based on the fact that snorkeling doesn't involve a lot of complicated equipment. It allows holiday goers and experienced snorkelers alike a chance to see underwater and explore what is down there. 2. How do you snorkel? Snorkeling is quite easy, however we have broken it down into simple stages to help. Find a snorkel that fits you comfortably and attach to head, making sure the mask is sealed around your eyes and nose. Attach fins to your feet in order to move comfortable through the water. Find a body of water deep enough to allow you to swim and observe under the water. Lay in the water on your stomach. Slowly push your head under, making sure the snorkel is working and no water is seeping into the mask. Tighten your mouth around the mouthpiece of the snorkel to hold in place, whilst checking that you are able to breathe clearly. When you are sure you are breathing easily, take a moment to assess the underwater surroundings. Pick a spot that looks interesting and go and discover what lies beneath. This is a beginning guide. Once you get a bit more comfortable with clearing your airways, you'll be able to submerge yourself in the water in order to see the underwater world up close. Now that we've covered snorkeling, let's talk about scuba diving, then we will be able to see the difference between scuba diving and snorkeling. 2. Scuba diving. Scuba diving is a form of underwater diving in which the participant submerges themselves in a body of water with the help of self-contained breathing apparatus designed to enable underwater breathing. This breathing apparatus is usually centered around the use of compressed air, and being that there isn't any form of surface supply, it allows the diver complete independence and freedom. Other equipment needed is a snorkel-esque mask to allow breathing of compressed air and improved vision, as well as swim fins to enable the diver to move easily through the water. Scuba diving is done both recreationally and professionally. Recreational scuba diving mainly happens in hot places. However, it is also used for scientific exploration, meaning it can be done in almost any body of water. For more information, click the link in description.